Hello together. Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. Today we got our leftovers paella, just with some shrimps, clams, broccoli. So we're gonna do it. So in different sessions, I gather some of the shells from some shrimps, and we're gonna saute them with some olive oil, garlic, onion, and a little bit of coriander. Of course, you can add maybe red bell pepper if you want to, but I just add what I had. Yeah, I didn't buy much for this. Yeah. So the main idea is just to saute this until it turns into the pink color of the shrimps. Once it's on this color, we're just gonna blend it with a little bit of water, or you can also add the water previously, but I'm using a pan, so I didn't add the water this time. I'm doing it later on, just a bit. So we're gonna add some salt and pepper for our, not that much pepper and not that much salt, because at the end we're gonna add more for the main paella. You know? Of course, I'm using salt now because I'm gonna use this broth right now. If I'm gonna save it for later for another occasion, I don't add any salt. Just because probably you forget that you add salt, and once you add this, and probably also you add salt to your dish, and if you add this salty concentrate of shrimp, this broth, they're gonna be too salty. Yeah, that's why I'm using salt right now. And just like that, look, the color it turned into the color I told you before. I'm just gonna put it in my blender, a little bit of water, blend it, sip it, and reserve it. Now we're gonna add all here, and just like that. Look, this is the core of our paella. Here is for flavors concentrates. Yeah, and as I'm using also chicken, I had some chicken broth also done by myself. Look, and I'm just gonna mix it together because I will need some more. Yeah, just like that. And this is all our ingredients for a paella. So broccoli, chicken, onion, garlic. So let's make it. So we're gonna start searing our chicken. Just like that, we add a little bit of oil to the pan, to the paella pan. We're gonna sear it in both sides, just like that. I did marinate the chicken with some curcuma, salt, pepper, and garlic. And just like that, we're gonna let it sear. Now we're gonna check, turn a little bit, turn it on the side. Yeah, it still needs, but we're gonna use the heat, and we're gonna start with our onion. Yeah, I have one onion here, just chopped onion, and I am gonna saute it. I'm using the heat for both. For now, I'm adding garlic. Yeah. I am using the heat for both, for searing the chicken on one side, and on the other side I will saute our onion and garlic. check it out now. Okay, gonna mix it a little bit. So you have to be careful not to burn anything. We don't want burn stuff in our pan this time, so just always control it. Yeah, just be careful with it. Now we're gonna sear our chicken for the other side, and with this side we are just okay. Yeah, careful with the onion, not burning it. It's very easy to get burned. Yeah, if you don't control the heat of your grill, it's very easy. So our chicken is just seared. We are gonna remove it from the pan and just place it on the side to finish it up later on top of our rice. So just like that, we are gonna add our rice. I got here 2 cups of rice. This is paella rice. Yeah, just actually I brought it from Spain, but you can get it in stores. Yeah, it is just risotto rice. May also work if you are comfortable with it. And so just like that, we're gonna add paella mix. I got 1 pack here, the mini bag with the paella mix, and I had some leftovers from last time. I'm just gonna use it before it gets expired. We are gonna keep moving our rice, not burning it carefully. And I got a little bit of leftover from clams. This is just a little bit I didn't use a while ago, and we are gonna add it to our pan, and also our shrimps. We're gonna add everything, saute it together with the rice and the onion. Just like that. And now we are gonna add our broth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups for the first cup of rice, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for our second cup of rice. And I just add another half because I don't want to throw it away. And just like that, we're gonna just move our rice, spread all the rice, that it get even into the paella all evenly. Yeah, that we do not have too much rice on one side and the other side without anything. Yeah, just move it. And now we're gonna top it with our chicken. Just give the formation you like. I'm just putting the pieces like that. A little bit of space for here for the third one. Not the third one actually, 6th one. So and now we are gonna add some broccoli. Raw broccoli, just pre-washed and raw broccoli, just like that. And after my broccoli, look, I had a whole broccoli. Veggies are very, very nice. This just very easy to prepare. And just, we're gonna use a lime, a whole lime. We'll squeeze it on top to bring a little bit of acidity to the paella. And we just let it cook now. Whoop. So always control the heat and control the evaporation. And look, we are so far ready to rumble. Yeah, look, very easy. Look, now Now you're gonna see after I serve it that it's dry on top. It's not too much water. It's not, the evaporation was very good, and just now we can enjoy it. So if you are so far till here, just subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button. It helps us, the content creator, and I wish you a very nice journey. Look, so everyone, thank you very much for watching it.